What's up guys, Morgan Lewis here and thank you for coming to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Aweber with ClickFunnels. If you're having problems with double opt-in with Aweber and ClickFunnels, and if you don't want the double opt-in, make sure you watch this video step by step to show you how you can use a form to stop the double opt-in if you want to, okay? So make sure you watch it step by step, don't skip a bit, okay? Make sure you watch to the end of the video because at the end I show you the bonus, I show you what I use to make an income online. Okay, so without further ado, my name is Morgan Lewis. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next part. So if you're having problems with Aweber Clickfunnels Integration, it may not be working for you, it may not be sending the emails, this may help you because this helped me. So I've got an Aweber account, one of many I've got. So I'm assuming you've got one as well, and I've also got a list that I've just made or made in the last couple of months. I've also got a ClickFunnels account with just a squeeze page that I want to integrate with this affiliate ebook list. Okay, there's a couple of ways you can do this. First of all, I would go to here, integrations, make sure that it is integrated with Aweber and ClickFunnels. So hopefully that should be there with you when it does it. Okay, so ClickFunnels there, available integrations, you've got all of these. So click on that to connect it. So hopefully that is there already, okay? And then I'm going to connect now that list with this squeeze page. So this is the squeeze page. It's just a basic one where you can send. So this is the basic squeeze page that I'm going to link to my Aweber account, link to this list. Okay, so at the moment, when people type in their email address here, I want it to integrate with this list. Okay, that's all it is, simple squeeze page. So it's linking ClickFunnels and Aweber. Okay, at the moment, it's not integrated with anything. At the moment, I don't think. Integration, no, it is. Okay, integrations. So at the moment, I've got a HTML form. Now that's what I use. So I'm going to remove this. Okay, so you can do it this way. Okay, where you have the API integration with ClickFunnels and Aweber. That's one way of doing it. Okay, one way of doing it. If you do it that way, Aweber might ask your subscribers for double opt-in, double confirmation. I've lost loads of subscribers due to that because it's still pending. When you go to your subscribers, it will say pending because Aweber sent them a double opt-in email and they haven't seen it and clicked on it. So they're not subscribed. Now you can stop that double opt-in. You can ask Aweber to do that, but they may ask you for information. They may ask you to get 30 subscribers before they turn it off because you're using the API through ClickFunnels. Okay? Now you can use a HTML form to bypass that, which is what I'm going to show you now. It's a lot easier. You can put a bit of code in. It's quite easy. Put a bit of code in and it stops that double opt-in. Okay, so you integrate Aweber and ClickFunnels with a HTML form. Okay, so at the moment, like I say, this one's integrated. Okay, I'm going to put null there, perhaps. Okay, so leave that for now. So HTML form, I want to link this now with a HTML form. So what I do is I go here, my messages, subscribers, sign up forms. Okay, now with my squeeze page here, it's only looking for an email. Okay, if you've got one with a name and an email, you need to have both of them in this sign up form. Okay, sign up form. Here's my sign up form. Okay, if you haven't got one, okay, I'll just delete it for now. Okay, so create a sign up form. This will give me the HTML code then to paste in. Okay, so this will happen when it happens. Just be careful that if you've got just an email address, just have the email address. If you've got a name there and email address, you need to have two. You need to have this here, look. Name and email. I've only got email. So I'm going to get rid of that. Okay. So there's that. Go to step 2. My web form. Name it what you want. Go to step 3. Oh, sorry. Step 2. Save your form. Okay. Always save your form. Always save stuff, because sometimes I don't. Okay. Go to step 3. Okay. So that's my sign up form there. Okay. Sometimes you've got to press this publish button, see what happens. Sometimes you've got to press that. Okay. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on I will install my form. If you click on I will install my form, you get all of this stuff. Okay. Don't be scared of this. Just click on raw HTML. Click on that raw HTML. It changes look. Come down here, click this here, include beautiful form styles. Get rid of that. So what I've done there is I've gone from JavaScript snippet, I've gone to raw HTML, and I've got rid of that. So I'm going to select some of this now, and I'm going to put it, okay, I'm going to put it in here. Okay. So I'm going to remove that just to show you. So I'm going to go null HTML form. Okay. Integrate existing form, add HTML below. Hi folks, sorry for interrupting. If you're enjoying this video and this content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Sorry for the interruption, back to the video. Okay. So this is the code that we've just generated from that sign up form. So now just get this form there, look. Form, that's all you want is that one. You don't want all of this, right? And come down. You don't want any of this. Come back up to there. So it's gone from that form there all the way up to that form there. Control C that or copy that and put it in here. Control V. Okay. Click this. Email not synced. Email, right? If you had the name there as well, you'd have email and name. Okay, so if you haven't, you may get problems if it's looking to get a name and an email. So make sure on your form you've either got just the email or email and the name. Okay. Click off. Press save. Always press save. So now it's integrated. I've integrated Aweber with this HTML form. Okay. So now what I should be able to do is, so I've done that, I've done that, and I've done that. Go back to sign up forms. Here's my sign up form. There. Okay. What I should be able to do now is try it all out, put my email address in there and see if it works. Okay. At the moment, I think I've only got one subscriber from a while ago. Okay. I've only got one subscriber at the moment. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test this out. And hopefully I won't get double opt-in. And hopefully the email I put in here will come straight into here, my subscriber list. Okay. So, gone back to this. Let's go to, let's get this going. So at the moment, there's no subscriber there, or no new one anyway. Okay, let's go to, let's preview this page here. So this is the actual page.
Okay, so now I'm just going to put an email address in here to see if it all works, to see if my integration has worked properly and there's no double opt-in. So here's my squeeze page. I put my email address in, just a test one for my Gmail account. So hopefully now, if it's all integrated, okay, when I press interest to send me more info, I haven't done a follow-up campaign with this one. This is just a test one, okay? So I haven't done anything with this. There's nothing, there's no emails coming after this, right? It'll just show you that I've subscribed, just in case you subscribe to this, okay? So this is my squeeze page. At the moment, no subscribers, no new ones. So that's my email address, or test one. Hopefully when I press this, it'll say thank you very much, you're subscribed. And hopefully I'll have a new subscriber in that list. Thank you very much. Okay, now when I come here, I'll refresh this. Hopefully, being a subscriber, subscribe. Look, that's the email I just did. It's subscribed, no double opt-in. Okay, you might have had before where it's saying pending. Okay, where Aweber's sent a double opt-in request. So this HTML form, that doesn't happen. Okay, so you can integrate Aweber and ClickFunnels with a simple HTML form, which you can get from Aweber. Okay, it saves you having to have a double opt-in. Okay, so my integration is here, there. Nice and easy. It saves you having to bother about phoning or emailing Aweber about the double opt-in. Okay, so hopefully that was some value. Hopefully that solved a bit of a problem if you're trying to integrate ClickFunnels with Aweber and you don't want this double opt-in. Okay, it took me a while to find that, but it works perfectly now. So I haven't got to bother phoning up Aweber. So thank you for watching that video. Thanks for watching to the end. I did say at the end, those who stay to the end, I'll give a bonus. Obviously, I use Aweber and I use ClickFunnels to make an income online. So if you want to know how I create an income online, how I power the internet and use the leverage of the internet online, stick around, because the next part of the video, I give you a bonus. I show you what I'm using to make an income online. Welcome back to this third part of the video and to the bonus section. Like I promised, those who stay to the end, and explain to you how I make money online and how I use the power of the internet to leverage that power and make an income online. I use affiliate marketing, and more specifically, high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, you can get started today in the same program for $7. There's a link in the pinned post, which will take you to a 15-day business challenge for $7. So click on the pinned post, the link in the pinned post. It'll take you to this squeeze page. Enter your contact details, and for $7, you can get started on them 15 days today. There's 15 days worth of value. Now, for an extra bonus, if you complete them 15 days and you send me a screenshot of proof that you've completed the 15 days, I will then arrange a one-to-one coaching session with me and you to discuss your next steps. So make sure you sign up for the 15 days, go through the 15 days. Once you get to the 15 days, send me a screenshot, email me a screenshot of the completion, and I will set up a one-to-one free half-an-hour coaching session with me and you to discuss your next steps, whatever they may be. Now, the reason I want to do that is because I know the value of them 15 days, because I got a lot of value and I want you to get the same value. So make sure you complete the 15 days, and then we can arrange that one-to-one half-an-hour free session. So that's all I have today. Click on the link, pay the $7, do the 15 days. Besides that, if you've got any questions, just let me know. I answer them all. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Take up that 15-day challenge. Take up on my free one-to-one bonus session. And I will see you in another video.